power over sin. Those who belong to Christ have nailed their natural evil desires to his cross and crucified them there. Galatians chapter 5 verse 24. The strength for our conquering and our victory is drawn continually from Christ. The Bible does not teach that sin is completely eradicated from the Christian in this life, but it does teach that sin shall no longer reign over you. The strength and power of sin have been broken. The Christian now has resources available to live above and beyond this world. The Bible teaches that whosoever is born of God does not practice sin. It is like the little girl who said that when the devil came knocking with a temptation, she just sent Jesus to the door. Prayer for the day. Lord Jesus, I need your power continually. You know how many times I am tempted.